This is our round fire pit. There are 4 different color options: cafe, glacier, chantilly, and granite. To install the fire pit, there's 8 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a location that is level and far away from your house and low-hanging trees or branches. Place the base ring down for a template. Mark a 2-inch circle from the outside diameter. Remove the base ring when clearly marked. Step 2. Dig out the circle and level out the soil approximately 3 to 4 inches deep. Remove the sod and dirt to a depth of 3 to 4 inches. Step 3. Compact the soil using a hand tamper. Tamp down the substrate, keeping it level. Check the area with the level, adding and removing soil as needed. Tamp again. Step 4. Place clean small gravel, number 9 or number 89 gravel stone, 2.5 to 3 inches deep. Step 5. Tamp down gravel stone, keeping it level. Step 6. Place first course and use rubber plastic mallet to establish a level bottom course. Step 7. Continue to install the interlocking pieces 3 layers high. No adhesives are needed. Step 8. Fill the outer perimeter with a small gravel, complete with putting on the 4-piece caps. Adhesive is optional.